Good day everyone. For this video presentation, I will explain our Java program called the SmartInventory in a simple and easy to understand way. So, before we begin, the SmartInventory program is a basic inventory system made using a Java. It helps the user store, search, update, display, and removes the products. We use two arrays in this program. So the first array is called product name, which is stores the names of the products as a strings. The second one is arrays called product quantity, which stores the quantities of the product as an integer. Both arrays can store 10 products only. Excuse me. So let's begin. The program starts with the main method. Inside it, we created one scanner object to get user input. So we're using the scanner equals new scanner system.in. System.in. This is the main scanner used for everywhere. This is important so there will be no input errors. The program runs inside a do while loop. And the program that start with do while loop so that the menu will keep showing until the user chooses number 6, which is the exit. And so let's run it. We have a 6 different kind of choices in our SmartInventory menu. The number 1 is for adding a product. The number 2 is for searching a product. Number 3 is for updating the quantity. Number 4 is for displaying all products. Number 5 is for removing a product. Number 6 is for the termination or exiting a whole program. So the user choose is a read using a scanner dot next line. Scanner dot next line. And then converted it into an integer using a integer that parse int. This process is inside a try catch. Use the try catch block so that if the user enters the letters instead of a number, the program will not crash and will just show an error message. So let's run it. So if the user select option 1, the program calls the add product method or add product name. This method uses a loop to find an empty space in the array. If it finds one, it asks the user to enter the product name. After that, it asks for the product quantity. The quantity, let's say the product name is P1, and the quantity input also uses a try catch and a loop so that only valid number are accepted. So let's say we're going to use a negative number. The negative number are not allowed. So the program said the negative number are not accepted. So we need the only positive number. So let's say the the product 1 is the quantity of the product 1 is 5. Yan, 5. Once the input is valid, the product name and quantity are saved in the array. So that the product added successfully. So let's add another 9 product. So for a while, product 1, quantity is 6. Add product 2, 3, 5. Yeah, so this, if you enter a invalid choice, the input said is invalid input, please enter a number only. So that, wait, and for a while, and then let's proceed to the step 2, which is when the user select option 2, the search product method is used, and this method looks for the product name entered by the user. So let's say we are searching the product 10, and product 10, it converts the input with H stored product using equals ignore case. This one, equals ignore case, and so that the search will still work even if the user uses uppercase or lowercase letters. If the product is found, the program display its name and quantity. If not, display product name. So let's choose the number 2, which is the search product, and we're going to search the P10. P10, and there you go. Product found P10 and the quantity is 34. If select it again and search another product which is not in the product name, let's say P0, that's it, product not found. And when the user select option 3, the update quantity method is used. This method search for the product name and update its quantity with the new value entered by the user, P1, and the new quantity of P1 is 34. So if we go to search it again for number 2, P1, the updated quantity is 34. If not, if the product does not exist, the program will also display a product not found, P0. There you go, product not found. And then when the user select option 4, the display products method runs. So this shows all the products currently stored in the inventory along with their quantities. So here we go. All of the product start with the product 1 to product 10 and their quantities. If there are no product yet, it will display a message saying the inventory is empty. Yan. And there you go. Products removed successfully. And when the user select option 5, the remove product method is called. This method removes a product by setting its name to null and its quantity to 0. After that, the slot becomes available again for new product. And so we're going to enter the product name that we're going to remove. So let's say the product name is P9. And when we see it again in the display product, the P9 is being removed. Yan. And lastly, when the user chooses a option 6, the program ends and the scanner is closed properly. It will automatically terminate the program. And in summary, our SmartInventory program shows how we can use arrays, loops, method, condition, and try-catch for error handling to create a simple but complete inventory system in Java programming. And that's all. Thank you for listening.